Hello everyone. Once again I am here to talk about Act 4 of Shakespeare's romantic comedy Twelfth Night. Act 4 of the play consists of three scenes. Scene 1 of Act 4 opens in front of Olivia's house. At the beginning of this scene, we see that Lady Olivia has sent the clown with a message for Cesario. But the clown happens to meet Sebastian, whom he mistakes for Cesario. Then Sir Andrew, Sir Toby, and Fabian appear, and they too mistake Sebastian for Cesario. Sir Andrew, thinking Sebastian to be Cesario, and having been told that Cesario is a weak boy having no courage at all, attacks him, whereupon Sebastian, who is a brave young man, hits back at Sir Andrew. Then Sir Toby steps forward to defend Sir Andrew, and making the same mistake, challenges Sebastian to a fight. Olivia, on being informed of the fight of the clown, comes in a hurry, and Olivia too mistakes Sebastian for Cesario. Olivia rebukes Sir Toby for having adopted an aggressive and bullying attitude towards Cesario, and orders Sir Toby to get away from her presence. Olivia then takes Sebastian into the house, still thinking him to be Cesario. Olivia tries to soothe Sebastian, while Sebastian wonders why he is being treated in this hospitable manner by a lady whom he doesn't know even at all. Sebastian thinks that either he is dreaming or he has gone mad. Then scene 2 of Act 4 opens inside Olivia's house. In this scene we see the torture of Malvolio that was planned by Maria, Sir Toby, Sir Andrew and Fabian. At Sir Toby's suggestion, Maria asks the clown Feast to disguise himself as Sir Topas as a priest. So Sir Topas is a priest. The clown is then asked to go to Malvolio and speak to him as if Malvolio were actually mad or possessed by the devil. Malvolio is at this time being kept as a prisoner in a dark room under Sir Toby's instruction. The clown plays the role of Sir Topas most efficiently. The clown talks to Malvolio as if the devil had taken possession of Malvolio's soul, and as if it were Satan himself who was speaking through Malvolio's mouth. Malvolio protests that he is not mad, but the clown, who is acting the role of Sir Topas, insists that Malvolio is mad, and that madness in his case has arisen from ignorance of the worst kind. In reply to the clown's questions regarding the philosophy of Pythagoras, Malvolio gives the correct answer. Actually, thus Sir Topas was just checking whether Malvolio gone really mad or not. But when when Malvolio gives the correct answer, the clown rejects it and bids him farewell, saying that Malvolio is surely mad. Thereafter, scene 3 of Act 4 opens at the garden of Lady Olivia's house. Sebastian is still in a state of confusion. He has now come out of Olivia's house and is in a joyful mood, since he has got the love of beautiful Olivia. Olivia has not only treated Sebastian most graciously and hospitably, but also has given him a costly jewel as a gift. Sebastian again asks himself if he is mad or if he is dreaming. Sebastian has not been able to find Antonio at the inn called the Elephant, and he wonders where Antonio has gone. We, of course, the audience or reader, know that Antonio has been taken into custody by the Duke Orsinius officer. On the other hand, Olivia, accompanied by a priest, contacts Sebastian and takes him into a nearby church. Olivia is not going to waste time, so Olivia tells Sebastian that she would like to get engaged to him in a solemn ceremony. Olivia wants that Sebastian should give her an assurance that he would continue to love her and remain loyal to her. Olivia also says that the engagement ceremony would be kept a secret till the time is ripe for a disclosure. Olivia wants to keep the engagement a secret for the time being so that Duke Orsino doesn't feel furious with her on coming to know that Olivia has decided to marry somebody else. Sebastian sees no objection to getting engaged to this beautiful lady Olivia. He thinks it just a piece of good fortune which has befallen on him. So here Act 4 finishes. In the next video we will discuss about Act 5 or the last act of the play. Thank you.